gentlemen, today I want to show you guys how I convert my home into a mini studio. So come along with me while I show you how I turn my home into a creative set. Hi y'all, it is me again, your legit and full-time FeetFinder. And as a content creator, you need basic production equipment so you're able to get the highest quality content possible. And I have turned every corner of my home into a perfect place to make content. So I'm going to tour you around my house today so I can show you how I've turned every corner into the perfect shooting place. So come with me as I tour you around and show you my DIY setup that I can do all by myself. So this is my bedroom. And this is where I come if the theme is kind of more sexy or seductive. Also, if it's like maybe something that's like kind of relaxing, reading a book, or just getting real cozy. There's a lot of pose options that you can do in your bedroom. You can use the headboard, your pillows, your blankets, anything like that. I have a chair back here that's also amazing for content. And one of the just sexiest poses that I frequently get asked for is, you know, kind of poses with the feet like this, just anything like that, just really cute, especially in sexy lingerie. And this is my bathroom. I love hopping in my bathtub and taking some pictures, and it's always nice to have dim romantic lights going on. I love having my candles. And with the size of this bathtub that I have, there are so many options for decorations you can add to the picture, positions you can do because of how much space there is. But even with the average size tub, you can get so many amazing pictures in your bathtub. And of course my kitchen, I love utilizing this area for morning with me themes. So you see, my entire home is transformed into a studio. And before I even take a single picture, I invest my time into researching what is trending right now so that I know my market well. And as a full-time creator, you also have to think about how to best materialize your setup. So this is my tripod. I have a couple of different tripods because if you just get a sudden spark kind of creative idea, you can just grab your tripod and go anywhere. So you want to make sure that you have a sturdy tripod. This is one that I have around the house. I also have a quad pod that I keep in my car. So if I get a burst of creativity while I'm out and about, I can just grab my quad pod and start taking pictures. And this is my camera. I prefer to use the Canon M50. And while you can use your cell phone and get amazing pictures, I like using an actual physical camera so that I can get the best quality shots possible. And then lighting is super essential because not only will it accentuate the subject in the photo, but you can also play around with the different lighting settings. You can work with like different shadows, things like that to really add that depth to your picture. And of course, I have my props that I add to my photos. I don't like to add a ton of props because I don't want it to distract from the main subject, which is my feet. So I try to have, you know, a theme, but not overdo it with a ton of props. Your setup plays a significant role in your production. So you want to make a habit of always coming up with fresh ideas, and remember, your imagination is your only limit. And you can always do research to kind of see what ideas can be sparked and see what is really trending in the market. Please subscribe to this channel if you would like to be a full-time footpreneur like me. And if you have not checked out our other videos, be sure to do that before you set up your account so we can guide you through what to do. And because I want you and the FeetFinder.com audience to know the basics of becoming a footpreneur, click on the in-screen video. That's it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I would love to answer them. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel and learn more about FeetFinder and its legitimacy. Wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on.